Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if you fail to change your desktop background on your Windows 11 and 10 system. The first process is clear your wallpaper caches. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Run dialog box will now open. Here in run dialog box type the command %appdata%. Click on OK. This command will open File Explorer or Windows Explorer in your system. Here under available items, look for the item Microsoft. Apply a double click on it to open its folder. Here open Windows folder. Here scroll down and at the end of the page you will find the folder themes. Open it. Apply a double click on it to open, and here you will find track coded wallpaper. Simply select it and choose delete. And check whether you are able to change your desktop background or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run again. Here in run dialog box type the command gpedit.msc. gpedit.msc. Click on OK. This command will open local group policy editor in your Windows 11 or 10 home edition only. In local group policy editor windows, from the left side of menu go to user configuration and here expand administrative templates. Expand administrative templates under user configuration. Here expand control panel and select personalization. Select it. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option prevent changing desktop background. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. Prevent changing desktop background. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and in next windows either choose not configured or disabled. If you found it in enabled mode, then disabled it or not configured, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom right corner. Thereafter close the group policy editor windows and check whether your error Windows 11 desktop background not changing fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here from the right side go to viewed by and choose large icons, and here open ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Here scroll down and you will find the option link make the computer easier to use. It will find open make the computer easier to use. Open it. Here scroll down and look for the option remove background images where applicable. Uncheck this feature. If you found it in checked mode, then uncheck this feature, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter close the windows and check whether your error Windows 11 or 10 desktop background not changing issue resolved or not. If not, one more fixes you must apply. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side click on personalization settings. Thereafter go to right side and make sure that you have chosen a default themes for your Windows 11 and 10 desktop. Go to themes and make sure that a default Windows 11 and 10 theme is set on your computer. If you have set any customization theme, then remove it and choose a default Windows 11 and 10 theme from this page. Thereafter again go to from the left side of menu and choose setting, accounts. From the right side, go to Windows Backup and make sure that remember my preferences option is turned off. If you found it turned on, then disable this feature.